Welcome back to the channel guys, and today I am going to unbox a new product for you.
Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Today we are going to unbox a new tank bag from GUARDIANGEARS, and this is Shark Mini 18 liter universal tank bag. This is a non-magnetic bag. I must say the packaging is really good. Wow! At first glance, the bag is looking superb. You also get a little GUARDIANGEARS sticker with it. If you are not satisfied with the product, you can easily give them a call. Bag's in-hand feel is super strong and sturdy. You can see the price is 1600. Beautiful GUARDIANGEARS logo on the side. Bottom side of the bag is made of scratch-proof material. This pouch is for smartphones. You can use the touch screen easily. There's another small pocket here. This is the main compartment of the bag. Another small pocket for papers or any important stuff. A hook for your keys. Very good quality orange colored rain cover for the bag. This is the shoulder strap of the bag. You can carry it around with this. These are straps and loops for the bag, so you can mount it on your tank. Time to extend the bag to its full size, 18 liters. And now you can see the bag is pretty big. Let's mount it on the bike now. Clean the tank of the bike first. Setting the front strap around the neck of the bike. Setting the back side straps now. After setting the straps on both sides, you are ready to mount the bag. Now mounting the back side straps. Even I am doing this for the first time. This is pretty easy. You can very easily mount or dismount the bag. Looks and feels great after mounting the bag. This is how it looks with the rain cover. Overall, a great tank bag for the price. This video is not sponsored. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video.